So hi, I'm Chris here. Let me show you how to create a round shape geofence and change its diameter. So what you do, you go to your settings, you choose geofence, you zoom into the area where you want to place your geofence. So let's target this roundabout. You choose the plus location pin. You choose draw a circle. You place your finger, your thumb in center of the roundabout, and it draws you a circle. If you want to make this circle smaller, you use the finger again and you press or tap somewhere inside of that original circle. So that's what I did just now, and you can see the diameter becomes smaller to exactly that point where I placed my thumb. To edit it again, save the geofence. I will call it test in that case, and I'll save it. Once the geofence is successfully saved, choose the list icon, which is the second from the bottom. Browse until you see test and choose the blue pencil. Once you see that pop up, just select edit geofence shape and zoom into your test geofence. So let's say we want to make it bigger. So what you do is you tap with your finger, your thumb, further outside. So that's what I'm doing now, round about at that street just above. So that's what I did now. You can see the inner circle is the original geofence and the outer circle is the new diameter. To confirm, just tap on the green check mark. As you can see, the diameter has now increased. So let's say we want to make it smaller again. Same sequence. Choose the list. Choose the test geofence. The blue pencil. Select edit geofence shape. And then what you do is we try to make it smaller, right? So I try to position my thumb round about exactly at the roundabout street, and that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, almost. And once you're satisfied, just hit the check mark and the geofence is saved. That's all for today. If you have any questions, just reach us through email or through our WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Bye.